guys, welcome back to my garden. So in today's video, I'm getting ready to go in. I'm going to be pruning back my roses, fertilizing my roses. I'm also going to go in and dig up the hydrangea that ran into a little bit of trouble over the winter time, and I'm going to pot that up. I'm going to set her off to the area where I like to call a little plant hoard. Get this area mulched down. I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but I want to have everything ready. So in the winter time is the perfect time to get out, survey your garden, see what you're missing, and also, you guys, and mama, no. Here, let me go get my dog some water. 1 second. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do in this area is I'm going to go in and I am going to prune my roses and fertilize my roses. So what I like to do with all of my roses, no matter what the type of rose it is, before I go in and I prune them, I wait till the forsythia starts to bloom in my area. So that way I know that it's time to prune my roses, and I followed that for years and I've never had a problem. At last, roses in this area, I'm going to go ahead and get those pruned up really quick. So if you see this area over here, can you see how the area is kind of like uneven? So let me show you at a different angle how this area is like very uneven. I'm going to go in and I'm going to just get my hoe and I'm going to level this out real quick. Some of the stuff I ordered online, some of the stuff I got at Lowe's. Made my first cut. Now in order to prevent my tubing from keeking, I have to go in and put elbows and things like that in. Now, I've set drip tubing up at other people's house, just not on my own property. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and just get this box organized real quick. So we got it tacked down on this end right here, and then we also have it tacked down over here. I'm getting ready to finish running my drip tubing up this area right here, and then I'm gonna make a turn. I feel like I didn't get anything done. I fertilized the 2 hydrangeas on the back. I started thinking as I was fertilizing that I needed to wait, and because I knew I was going in with the drip tubing. Now, I over here came in on Saturday and I started putting down the mulch. All of these leaves have already dropped back down. You look up, my trees, they've already lost all their leaves. But my neighbor's tree, see, my neighbor's tree over there still have leaves on them. To go ahead and fertilize everything, and one of the reasons why is because I'm gonna put that mulch down over my drip tubing and everything, and that way when I come in with the leaf blower, I'm not blowing a whole bunch of fertilizer around. I didn't get a chance to get everything done that I wanted to get done in my garden, but I'll be out here bright and early tomorrow trying to get those chores done. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.